Uy! Oh my gosh, parang babawiin ko yung sasabihin ko. And I can't believe hindi ko siya na-notice. Ay, ang ganda ng finish niya. Thai sunscreens never disappoint. Perfect. Sino may gusto ng Thai skincare? Ang ganda! Hello everyone! Naandito na naman tayo sa Thailand. Nasa Bangkok na naman tayo for another skincare shopping day. For those of you wondering, naandito ako ngayon sa Flunchit Station. Kita nyo yan? Yun yung Skytrain nila, yung BTS. This is exactly at Flunchit Station. As in, pagbaba mo, naandito na ang first stop natin. So ano nga ba ang first stop natin? It's actually a Thai pharmacy. This is actually something na hindi pa natin napupuntahan ever before because nung last year na content ko, I remember pinuntahan natin iba't ibang mga stores like Watson's, Even Boy, yung mga very popular. But I actually don't know why hindi tayo pumunta sa Thai pharmacy. Kasi talaga yung mga first few times na pumunta ako dito sa Thailand, ito yung isa sa mga una kong pinuntahan. So I don't know why I totally forgot. But anyway, here we are. And ito rin talaga yung favorite kong pharmacy na puntahan. This is Siam Pharmacy. Again, napakadali lang hanapin sa Google Maps. It's literally right across Flunchit Station. And ang maganda dito is, dahil nga pharmacy siya, of course, naandito lahat ng mga acne medications, but also the hair medications. Actually, yun yung pinakasadya ko dito. Kasi talaga sobrang mura. Of course, mag-acne medications din tayo. And meron din dito mga ilang-ilang parang mga dermo skincare brands. The usual. But actually guys, ang takot ko dito is hindi ko alam kung papayagan tayong mag-shoot. As per usual, ito na naman ang problema natin. Fingers crossed, sana payagan tayo. Baka maging ASMR na naman tayo dahil ayaw nating mahuli at mapalabas. But yeah, I will try my best to be as discreet as possible. Tingnan natin, hopefully it works. Okay, so pasok na tayo. Let's go. Puride. Puride, 1 milligram. What's the price of Loxidil, 10 milligram? How much is one?
225.
225. Azelaic acid, how much? Skinuren.
480.
Okay, success. Nakuha na natin ang mga medications. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung laman niya. But now we're here in the skincare section. And actually, napuntahan ko na rin tong part na to. Hindi naman sobrang wide yung selection nila. Pero kumpleto yung mga derma brands. Marami silang mga options na hindi rin available sa Pilipinas. First thing na kukunin ko dito, actually hindi siya skincare. Supplement siya. It's these melatonin gummies from the brand Goodnight. Lagi ko tong nakikita sa 7-Eleven lang dati, yung mga maliliit na pieces. But here they sell it in bulk. So basically, melatonin lang na gummies. Meron naman tayong ganun sa Pilipinas. Pero gustong-gusto ko kasi itong mango flavor nila. As in, sorry, mababaw na reason lang talaga. Masarap tong mango nila, so I'm getting a whole pack of it. And tingnan nyo, nakakatuwa. Hindi ko alam if this is effective pero meron din silang gummies na may melatonin siya. And I think meron na rin siyang L-carnitine. Ganito muna kaliit yung bibili natin. Baka mamaya hindi pala masarap yung peach flavor, di ba? Medyo kulang-kulang din pala yung mga skincare options nila dito. Apart from yung mga derma brands, the only thing I probably see myself buying is itong kay La Roche-Posay. Meron kasi silang sunscreen na anti-dark spots na rin. This is actually one of my favorites. Itong anti-dark spots fluid nila. If I'm not mistaken, parang last year lang nila to ni-release. And basically, sunscreen siya that already has Melasil, which is the one that helps target yung dark spots sa skin. Although hindi pa ubos yung ganito ko, so I don't really necessarily need a new one. And medyo mahal din siya ha. So I feel like I'm not gonna get any skincare here. Baka ang bibiling ko lang dito is yung gummies nila. Naandito daw yung isang sunscreen na lagi kong nire-recommend na nakikita ko sa Thailand. This is available all across Southeast Asia except sa Pilipinas. Ito siya, yung Nivea na oil control. I think this is one of the first products na pinag-usapan ko in my last Thailand vlog from last year. Nakatuwa talaga siya if oily yung skin mo, nakakatulong siya with oil control. Meron ako sunscreen though that I have been wanting to try. This is from the brand Mizumi. A lot of you guys think this is a Japanese brand, pero Thai brand siya actually. Etong UV Water Active Sport nila na face and body sunscreen. Mahilig talaga ako kapag water resistant or for sports siya na sunscreen. And like I always say, gets na gets talaga ng Thailand yung pagka malagkit ng weather natin because they probably have similar weather sa atin. And I actually see like a tester product that you can try on. So, swatch natin siya. Let's swatch it. Sana maganda. Ayan, parang may pagka-milk texture siya. Medyo malabnaw, pero hindi siya super duper labnaw. And then when you spread it, Ay, ang ganda ng finish. And mafe-feel mo talaga yung parang powdery capsules niya inside. Ay, ang ganda. Kukunin ko na agad to. Budol na agad tayo. Hindi pa kumpleto yung stock dito. The price of this one is, I think, around 428 baht. It's actually not the most affordable. Pero ako, medyo willing ako mag-splurge dito. So, i-go na natin siya. But yeah, I think I'm good. I also got myself itong Marvis toothpaste. Honestly, toothpaste lang siya. There's nothing special about it. But I keep hearing about it online na parang ang daming nagugustuhan siya. So, na-curious lang ako. Pagbigyan nyo na ako, diba? But anyway, yun lang yung bibiling ko dito. Magbabayad muna ako and then I'll recap to you guys what I got from the pharmacy. There you go. Alright, so ayun na siya, success. Let me show you guys kung ano yung binili ko sa pharmacy. By the way, nandito lang ako sa labas, nakaupo lang ako. Perfect na perfect talaga tong place na to, di ba? May upuan pa siyang section, di ba? Paglabas mo, pwede ka pang huminga-hinga ng konti. But anyway, so let me show you what I got. So ito talaga yung pinakasadya ko dito, my yearly stash of finasteride. I got myself 10 boxes. And for those of you na curious, ano bang ginagawa ng finasteride? It basically stops yung androgenetic alopecia or yung hair loss, yung hormone na nagkakos na mag-recede yung hairline mo or makalbo yung ditong part ng head mo, sinastop niya yung hormone na yon. I also got myself cetirizine as merong allergic rhinitis and ito talaga, marami na siya in one box eh. This is actually 100 tablets. So, di ba? Then I also got myself tretinoin, but as you guys know, what I use is the 0.1%, yung pinakamalakas talaga. Sa mga curious, alam ko technically, you need a prescription, pero hindi nila ako hiningan. So, ewan ko lang, siguro baka medyo lenient sila. And then may last thing pa pala ako na kinuha dito sa pharmacy nila, which are mga zinc lozenges. So ito, ginagamit mo siya, kunyari nafe-feel mo magkakaroon ka na ng sakit, parang feeling mo magkaka-cold or magkaka-flu ka, magte-take ka lang ng 1 to 2 pieces of this. And then meron na siyang zinc, and apparently, mas okay daw yung ganito na parang lozenge form siya because if I remember correctly, parang dumidiretso na siya or mas mabilis yung daloy niya sa bloodstream mo. And then the better it can help with your immunity. So yeah, I actually bought a lot of them already as in iba-iba ng mga flavors because if I remember correctly, wala pa ako nakikitang ganito na binebenta sa Pilipinas even sa mga online stores like Shopee or Lazada. Feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Pero ayan, just in case magkasakit tayo this year, ready tayo, di ba? And then also, as I showed you guys kanina, kumuha na rin ako nitong Sleepy Gummies. Sarap talaga nitong mango na to guys, I promise you. I-try nyo siya. Kung hindi pampatulog, as candy. Wow! Then I also got the Marvis toothpaste. Again, na-curious lang ako. Hindi ko siya recommendation or anything. And for the only skincare product na kinuha natin sa pharmacy, itong kay Mizumi, itong Sport Face and Body Sunscreen nila na water resistant. Ang ganda ng finish nung swinatch natin kanina and I can't actually wait to try it. So our total bill is nasa around mga 5,108 baht. Grabe, naka 10k na si Bakla. Pero for a whole year's worth of medications naman to. But anyway guys, I think punta na tayo sa ating next destination because this is just maybe the first half. Meron pa akong hinahanap na mga skincare products. So sasakay ulit tayo ng SkyTrain or ng BTS and then pupunta na tayo to our next destination which is a skincare store. So I'll see you guys there. Ayan, so we are back in the train station and napakasaya kasi patay na oras to. It's Monday afternoon. As in, ayan o, walang katao-tao. Compared sa weekend, grabe, dinadagsa talaga. Ang saya, parang pwede ka muni-muni. Pwede ka mag-emote-emote habang inaantay yung train. Uy. Ano daw? Okay, so we're here now at Chitlom Station. This is just one station after nung Flunchit, kung nasan yung pharmacy kanina. And this is actually one of my favorite na SkyTrain stations or BTS train stations. Kasi pagbaba mo dito, meron silang parang mahabang overpass. Essentially connecting all the buildings in the place. It's called R-Walk. Ang daling umikot dito kasi talaga isang mahabang bridge siya, tas madali lang pumunta from mall to mall. And the reason why I like it here is ang dami mong pwedeng puntahan ng mga malls, which is really, really perfect. And this is also very near Siam Station. Actually, Chitlom Station yung pinupuntahan ko because hindi siya as matao. But anyway, nandito na tayo sa first stop natin. This is actually one of the more peaceful malls or areas sa our walk na area na to. This one is called Gaysorn Amarin. So yung Gaysorn, bading siya. Hindi siya bading. Gaysorn is like this area wherein maraming iba't ibang mga establishments under the Gaysorn name. Pero ang sadya natin dito sa Gaysorn Amarin is it's actually one of the more quiet branches of Even Boy. As in guys, wala talagang katao-tao dito. Pumunta ako a few days ago and weekend yun ah. Usually weekend, di ba, malls, maraming mga tao. Dito sa Gaysorn Amarin, wala. Tahimik na tahimik. Anyway, kumulang tayo ng basket because medyo marami-rami akong hinahanap. Joke lang, hindi naman sobrang dami. But there is this one brand that I want to shop from. And nakikita ko na siya agad. This brand is called Ingu. I'm sure alam nyo na to, di ba? Yung sikat na Thai skincare creator, si Ing. This is his brand. And they have a lot of very promising products. And I can't believe hindi ko siya na-notice sa last time ko na pumunta dito sa Even Boy. But anyway, nandito na tayo. And I'm super duper excited. Okay, kumuha na tayo agad. Let's start with this one. It's the Lotus Cleansing Micellar Milk. Essentially, instead of cleansing oil or cleansing balm, I think ang ginawa niya is parang lotion texture para mas comfortable siya sa pagtanggal ng makeup on your skin. I've actually never swatched this before. Like, I've never tried it. So, I'm super excited na i-swatch siya sa inyo. Ay, hindi siya milk. Para siyang jelly. It reminds me of, if alam niyo yung kay Lia Yu na Korean brand, yung Crave. Very, very interesting because I actually prefer this texture kasi alam niyo naman, malagkit ang weather natin. Not everyone likes to put like a heavy cream or a heavy oil on your face. Kahit na ba wash off siya. Kukuha na ako agad. Kasi nila-add to cart ko na siya agad. Next, I have itong Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. And I'm assuming this is either a milk or a gel. Okay, gel. Fairness, Ingu really knows his textures. Has hyaluronic acid, gentle cleansing agents, even pentavitin. While I think this is very interesting, I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting this because I feel like I have so much gentle cleansers that I haven't finished yet. So, para maging responsible shopper tayo, wag na muna. Hindi pa naman natin kailangan ng bagong cleanser. Next one, itong anti-acne gel nila. Ang interesting nito because this has encapsulated salicylic acid. So, as you guys know, kapag encapsulated ang isang ingredient, para siyang time release. It prevents the ingredient from absorbing all at once into your skin para hindi siya ma-irritate. But aside from that, this also has 3% niacinamide and also mga patented ingredients like Cebulese and Pacifil. Not exactly sure what those are, but the combination of salicylic acid and niacinamide and other ingredients that might potentially help target oil. Fairness, I would get this. Also because parang clear ata na spot treatment to, ayan o. Parang clear gel lang siya, so perfect to use not just in the nighttime, pero sa daytime din, kunyari gusto niyo siya ilagay under your sunscreen. This one also seems to be very popular, itong green tea na mga moisturizers nila. This is the Green Tea Deep Repair Cream. Meron siyang green tea, meron din siyang ceramides, and it's not just ceramide, it's ceramide liposomes. So very nourishing on the skin, and it also has 3% niacinamide. Wow! It does say here that it's for dry to very dry skin, but I still want to try it as like a nighttime moisturizer even if my skin is oily. Meron silang serum. It's called the Green Tea Retinol Serum Shot. This has encapsulated retinol. Also has matrixyl, which is basically mga peptides if I'm not mistaken. So I would say it isn't the most affordable brand, pero I think it's well worth it for the price that you're getting. Ito raw yung super mabenta, sabi ni Ing. Very popular daw tong Brightening Crystal Serum nila. This one has 4% niacinamide and it also has crystallide. If I'm not mistaken, I heard Ing say na ingredient siya to help with dark spots or with brightening the skin. Oh, meron din siyang undecillinoyl phenylalanine. Oh my gosh. This is just the second product ever that I've found to have that ingredient. Nakakatuwa. Hindi talaga tumura, guys. But I think I am gonna be getting this. They also have a sunscreen that I want to try. It's called the Super Light Soothing Sunscreen. Has 7 UV filters. Wow. So for those curious, ang hybrid, that means it has both chemical and mineral filters. Meron siyang sample dito, so let's test it out. And sana okay siya. Moment of truth. Let's go. Ay. Okay. Okay. Oh. Akala ko magkaka-white cast siya. It doesn't have any white cast. I would say it seems like a 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen if your skin is oily. Very, very interesting. It has Cica or Centella asiatica. Also has a prebiotic complex. So, parang pwede na rin siyang moisturizer for the skin barrier. Get natin siya. And last but not the least, they also do have some body products. Very, very interesting. So itong pineapple body line nila, they have a body wash. So meron siyang 5% AHA, BHA, PHA complex. Maybe like a mildly exfoliating body wash to. And then this one is more of like a brightening na body lotion. 5% niacinamide. Wow! I've never seen that high of niacinamide sa isang body lotion. Ito rin kasi meron siyang glucosamine which helps support the niacinamide if I'm not mistaken. And this has ceramides. I think I'm gonna try this lotion also. And then last but not the least, meron din silang tripeptide lip balm na may SPF. It has a ceramide complex. Like this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ceramides, which is perfect for your lips kasi essentially ceramides help yung cracks ng lips mo. It helps smoothen them out. And for that to be in a lip balm, wow. And this actually also has kojic acid. So for those na parang gustong i-brighten yung parang two-toned lips nila, it's completely normal to have that. But if you want to kind of like lessen it, this lip balm has ingredients for that. Although ang meron na lang nila is yung scarlet red na color. So parang feeling ko, baka hindi siya bagay sa akin. Baka maging Snow White ako dito. Meron kasi silang iba-ibang mga colors. So ang available na lang, ito nga wala na rin itong orange marmalade nila. Itong scarlet red. Tapos itong clear, wala na siya. I would probably either get this or this for my lips, diba? Para medyo mas natural. Pero wala silang stock. So, let's check other stores. But yeah, ang dami natin nakuha from Inggu. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products from Inggu. I am super excited to try these products. Actually, yun lang naman yung sinadya ko dito sa Even Boy. Kasi ang dami ko nang trinay na iba't ibang mga products dito throughout the years. But I will still keep looking around. Tingnan ko kung may mga bagong products na interesting. Then I'll show them to you kung oo. Another sunscreen I've been wanting to try is from the brand, again, Mizumi. They released a sunscreen specifically for oily, acne-prone skin. Super duper interesting. It's called the UV Ultimate Matte and Oil Control Sunscreen. Again, meron siyang tester dito, so itry natin. Grabe talaga to si Mizumi. Palaban yung mga choices niya, always. Tingnan natin kung papasa. Okay, let's swatch. Looks like it's a little bit of a lotiony finish. And when you blend it onto the skin, ay! Oh my God! Ang ganda ng finish niya! Alam nyo, Thai sunscreens never disappoint. That's what I'll say. Wow! And naka-buy one, free one sila na promo ngayon. Perfect. Gusto mo yung pumalakpak si Gabe? Bakit siya pumalakpak? Okay, I'm gonna get one. Dalawa naman yung makakuha natin. So, ipapag-giveaway ko na ba to? Para matry nyo. What if, di ba? Mag gusto nyo ng giveaway, mag-comment sa video, di ba? Comment nyo kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo sa video. Comment nyo kung ano yung mga products that you feel are interesting to check out. Para naman alam ko, di ba? Alright, may gusto pa akong itry na isa pang Mizumi sunscreen. Promise, last na. Kasi ang dami talaga nilang release this year. Check ko yung IG nila. This one is a jelly to water na sunscreen. And as someone, again, na gustong-gusto talaga yung mga presko na feeling na sunscreens, I wanna try it. Dinala ko na rito yung tester nila. Ayan, so iswatch natin siya. Looks like a cream gel consistency. And then i-spread natin. Oh my God. Tubig nga. Makikita niyo ba yan? Clear, ate ko. Okay, gaget lucky ko na to kasi last na to eh. And it's also a buy one, free one. So, ewan ko na lang kung ano mangyayari. Pero kukunin ko pa rin talaga siya. Hop on them. Hop on them. Ang ganda. Parang pangatlo ko na ata to sa video na to. Grabe ka na, Mizumi. Oh, nandito na rin yung bagong product ni Mizumi na blush siya na may SPF na rin. What you would do with this one is papatong mo siya on your sunscreen for extra protection. So, imagine, parang kunyari gusto mo maging pretty sa, kunyari, nagbe-beach ka and gusto mong patungan siguro yung sunscreen mo. This is a 2-in-1 blush na may UV protection na. Ang talino. I'm gonna try itong color peach. Usually ganito yung mga colors na bagay sa akin eh. And maybe also this pink one. Wala lang. Na-curious lang talaga ako. Actually, hindi ako masyado nagsusuot ng blush pero wala lang. Interesting siya. Not bad, I would say. Guys, I'm so sorry. Sorry na. Sorry na talaga. Ito na talaga yung pinaka-last. Or hindi ko sure kung ito na. Baliw na baliw ako sa mga sunscreens ng Mizumi. So, they have this new one called like a sun pack. Ang ganda nito pang re-apply. Kunyari, naka-makeup ka. The best way to really re-apply your sunscreen is through yung ganitong cushion kasi hindi mahuhulas yung makeup mo kapag carefully mo siyang tinap. So perfect na perfect to for mga tinted sunscreen wearers who want to just reapply the sunscreen on their face. Tapos meron din siyang parang cushion na tinted version. And this one may SPF din siya and airy daw yung feel. Hindi ko matry ng mabuti kasi ang daming tao doon sa may Mizumi na section. Pero kukunin ko na siya. I'm so sorry. Pero ito talaga yung sinasabi ko na focus kayo on the Thai skincare that's here. Kasi talaga, mababaliw kayo. There's so many good options from different brands. International brands kasi medyo mahal-mahal pa rin sila. Pero oh my God, parang babawiin ko yung sasabihin ko. Nandito kasi ako sa CeraVe na section and look what I saw. Wala pang ganito sa CeraVe natin sa Pilipinas. Oh my God. Oil Control Moisturizing Gel Cream from CeraVe. Ang dami na guys! Parang kakasya pa ba ito sa maleta ko? Charot. Fairness you would think I don't have much products to buy anymore on my 6th time here. But every time I come back, safe to say, nababaliw lang talaga ako. Alam mo yun? Nandito rin pala yung bago ni New Formula na product that I've been really eyeing. Nakita ko to sa Instagram nila. This is the Acne Solution Ampule Serum. Meron siyang 2% salicylic acid, 3% niacinamide, and zinc PCA. As in, all-in-one serum na siya for excess oil ng skin, essentially. I need this as someone na acne prone. Usually, yung niacinamide, makuha mo pa siya sa separate moisturizer, tapos bibili ka pa ng separate na exfoliant. All-in-one na siya dito, tapos encapsulated pa yung salicylic acid. Like, wow. Alam mo, ito yung point na sinasabi ko in terms of like skincare, yung philosophy ng Thailand, sobrang mature na ng skincare market nila. Na-notice nyo, wala namang bago na ingredient dito eh. But the way that they formulate these ingredients into the product makes all the difference, diba? Wala ka pa makikita sa Pilipinas na all-in-one na siya. Ito talaga amazing. Ang galing ni New Formula. Oh my God, yung Oxycure nila dito, merong bagong product na hindi ko pa nakikita from before. It's an acne clear concealer. Oh my God. Actually, this isn't the first time I've seen a product like this, but it's always been hit or miss. Kasi minsan hindi mo ka-shade, diba? So sige, ang gagawin ko, tignan natin kung ka-shade ko siya. Parang pasok naman ako sa usual skin tone ng Thai ata. I'm gonna get both of them. Pag hindi ko ka-shade, i-give away. What if? Oh, ayan na, magi-giveaway na ako. Kasi last time talaga hindi ako nakapag-giveaway. Sorry na. Okay, may kinuha pa akong isa na sunscreen dito na tinted naman kasi may lumapit sa akin na sales lady. And mukhang maganda naman nung sinatch niya sa akin. This is actually very impressive. From the brand Herbalist. And may special promo sila ngayon na buy one, free one. Yung talagang tawag nila dito, hindi buy one, take one. Buy one, free one. This is the Bare Skin Perfector UV Base. All Day Fresh matte finish siya. So I wanna show you guys yung consistency niya. Ayan o. Tapos, pag spread mo siya on the skin, ang ganda ng finish. As in, matte kung matte. I feel like this would be perfect as like a daily matte sunscreen. And may buy one, free one promo siya. Ang gusto niyang i-free sa akin kanina was the tone-up version niya. Etong color pink, pero medyo parang rosy siya eh. Hindi bagay sa skin ko yung ganon. And then yung isa na makukuha ko for free, i-give away. What if? Diba? Ang dami kong ginagastos sa inyo para ako nagsha-shopping para sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Diba? O sige, magpapabudol na tayo. Ako, kinakabahan na ako. Kailangan ko na ba bumili ng separate na maleta para dito? Sure. Another interesting product, I don't know kung meron na to sa Pilipinas. Hindi ko maalala kung sa Pilipinas ko siya nakita eh. Yung ganito na Ponds na compact powder. So, meron siyang matte finish for acne-prone skin. Meron din siyang pore blurring satin finish. Translucent powder siya basically. Gusto ko siya i-try, pero when it comes kasi to makeup products, like yung mga powder, parang medyo trusted ko na yung Laura Mercier ko. And hindi ko lang sure if may color siya. So, parang probably hindi ko na siya kukunin. But very interesting to look at. Ito talaga, sa mga pumupunta sa Thailand, this is my number one reco probably kung oily skin ka. Itong Cathy Doll. I know we have this brand in the Philippines, but this size, we don't have it. Like, this one is one of my favorites. Kung oily ka, ang bilis mag-blend. Ito yung masasabi kong top 2 na hanapin nyo talaga pag pumunta kayo ng Even Boy, ng Watsons. Itong dalawa, the Nivea Sun Oil Control or the Cathy Doll. And murang-mura lang sila. Ang dami magagandang sunscreens dito. Here's another sunscreen that says it's pudding watery sunscreen. Excuse me, Kap. Does this have tester?
Yes, I recommend the push one in Thailand.
Bubuduli na naman ako. Oh, I have already. Yeah.
You have?
I love it. Yeah. O, di ba? Sinubukan akong budulin ni ate. Sabi niya, try mo raw tong Her Highness. Hindi niya alam, nabudol na ako niyan dati dahil. Ano ba, ito yung tinatanong ko, tapos nabudol ako sa iba. O sige na, kukunin ko na. Sabi ko kasi, meron ba tong tester? Sabi niya, yes, meron, pero tignan mo to. Di ba? Diversionary tactics, dahil para kang gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Tama, mali. And feeling ko, ang dami na nating nakuha. As in, tingnan niyo yung bag ko. Ayan na siya, Beo. O, ayan na siya. Alam mo, sige, bahala na. Yung iba, ipapag-giveaway ko na lang sa inyo kapag nag-comment kayo sa video na to, okay? Sino may gusto ng Thai skincare? But anyway, sige, parang feeling ko okay na to. Magbayad na tayo. Let's go. Alright, success! Ayan na siya, our Even Boy haul, our yearly Thai skincare stash. And the best part is, meron siyang tax refund. Amazing, di ba? Pero I think, ayun na siya guys, I really thought I would be exploring other skincare shops. Like, iniisip ko mag-Watson's Part 2 ulit. Meron kasing isang magandang branch ng Watson's sa M-Sphere that I wanted to show you guys. Kasi medyo, nung dinaanan ko siya yesterday, medyo kulang-kulang yung stock eh. So feeling ko parang hindi niyo siya masyadong ma-enjoy. I really think this was the standout branch this time. Kung gusto niyo ng tahimik na skincare shopping, hindi siya magulo at all. And if you want, after mong matapos to, pwede ka nang dumayo sa mga nearby malls. Pwede ka na kayong kumain doon or mag-shopping-shopping pa sa ibang mga places. That's why I really love itong Chitlom Station where the Gay Sorn area is. Hindi lang dahil gay din ako. Hindi mo gagawing gay talaga yun. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. And as per usual, we're going to try na ilagay yung mga links ng mga products sa description box if gusto niyo siyang hanapin online. Some of these brands kasi, like for example, yung kay Ingu, available na sila sa Shopee. So if you really want to try them without having to go to Thailand, then you can basically buy them there. But also, due to popular demand, dahil nga marami sa inyong na-enjoy yung videos na to and marami din sa inyong nako-curious sa Thai skincare, I will also be having a giveaway for this video. So check nyo na lang sa description box yung mechanics ng giveaway na to and how you can win yourself some Thai skincare products. So yun lang siya guys. Let me know what other skincare stores here in Bangkok you want me to go to. Ang dami ko na kasing napuntahan dito eh. You can watch my previous 2-part vlog exploring the different skincare stores in Thailand if you haven't watched that yet. And also let me know what other countries or what other cities you want me to go to look at their skincare products. But for now, ayun na muna siya. Thank you so much for being with me on this trip. Khop Kun Kap, and I will see you next time. Bye!